Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, yesterday I have taken you to the coal mine, Incline 21 in Illanda of Kottagudem, Bhadradri district. So, we visited the Singareni Collieries Company Limited office, taken the permission to visit this mine, and we went into the mine. And we were taken by the safety officer 500 feet down the surface, and we have seen that coal seam which is available on the entire all sides of the mine were painted with dolomite in order to avoid the oxidation, and in order to keep the tunnel bright also they have painted with the dolomite. Today let us see how the blasting takes place in the coal mine. So we have approached to the coal drilling area, actually where the work is going on. To that point we have reached walking there or the phase. Every day the supervisors keeps on inspecting the coal seam and give the instructions to the coal miners, the day mining, where it has to be done and how much it has to be done. So where is the mining to be done, the instructions will be given by the coal supervisor. Okay, the tunnel supervisor will be there. What safety measures should be taken today also will be told by them. Different kinds of people are assigned different kinds of tasks in mining. In the under that different people are many people will be present, and each one is will be assigned a kind of duty. And one group will be drilling the holes. They keep on drilling the holes to the coal with a pneumatic air compressor to plant the explosive rods. Explosive rods mean in order to blast it, they keep on the rods in order to keep this one. They keep on doing the drills, and resin packets were inserted to keep them in place, and these explosives will be set off through the detonator will be there by electrical wires device. They keep on blasting. So the strong rocks like coal is broken in this manner so that it can be cut and transported, and this process is called as blasting, which is conducted under the ground, and it is a hazardous process. Sometimes the blast can bring down the entire mine also, causing death of miners. So it has to be therefore done with great care and with great calculation. This mine blasting should be carried out. Another group of miners keeps on arranging the wooden and iron supports so that the mine doesn't falls down, the roof doesn't fall down. And one group was ready with flexible movable motors known as drilling machines. This would be used to cut the coal, and after the blast they cut the coal, and now the blast hole is ready. The blast hole is ready to keep the explosive rods. When the entire preparation of blasting is completed, everyone withdraw to the safe places. Then a warning whistle will be blown, and then the detonator was set off. That means they put the electrical wires, and then the blasting occurs. Suddenly the whole mine resounds with a boom of explosion, and the entire explosion brings out the coal. The walls and the other ground also will shook whenever there is a blasting. It seems like as if an earthquake occurred in that area, and there was a lot of smoke and dust which occurs everywhere. After some time, again a whistle will be sounded. That's a warning. Again a whistle will be sounded, and we moved once towards the face. Slowly the dust settled, and 2 or 3 miners entered the dust cloud coughing. Okay, and they walked over the coal that had fallen after the explosion, using their rods to inspect the places from where the coal has fallen. At one spot the roof was very weak, so it was supported with the wooden beams and iron supports, and iron posts were put in order to support that roof. And now after drilling, after the breaking of the coal into pieces, they have to transport the coal. So in this mine, coal is transported through the conveyor belts. Okay, you need to put a conveyor belt, you know, जो लेके जाती बेल्ट के ऊपर डाले तो वही बेल्ट लेके जाती रहती. सो एयरपोर्ट में देखते नहीं हम, हमारा लगेज जो है वो कन्वेयर बेल्ट के ऊपर लगाते और वो ऐसे चले होते जाती. सो सच काइंड ऑफ कन्वेयर बेल्ट इज प्रेजेंट देयर. सो earlier miners had to physically load on the wagons, on small wagons which used to carry the coal, but now dumper machines load the coal onto the conveyor belt. Dumper machines are there, so those dumper machines will load them, and then the coal is graded and loaded onto the trucks. Grading of the coal is very important. What grade of coal it is, high quality or low quality will be done there, and then they'll be loaded onto the trucks and railway wagons. The Singareni Collieries Company Limited mainly supplies coal to the thermal power plants of the government. The remaining coal is purchased by other companies also. If you look at the welfare activities that are taken place at the Singareni company for the employees, so Singareni Collieries provides the quarters with water and drinking water and roads and utilization water, and it gives electricity at nominal charges only. It also establishes schools and hospitals for its employees' children also, and there are many kinds of safety and health checkups that will be carried out to its employees every year even. Director General of Mines and Mines Safety monitors safety aspects of the mine. Periodical medical examination will be done, and the workers who are working underground are not only exposed to accidents, but also they constantly inhale the coal dust. They inhale the coal dust, which causes them dreaded blocks in the lungs. That is a black lung diseases gets developed, a form of tuberculosis it is. And these detailed guidelines for medical checkup of the miners and their treatment will be done. Employees below 45 years of age have to undergo through their routine checkups for every 5 years, whereas employees who are above 45 years have to go through the routine checkups for every 3 years. And miners with black lung diseases are usually transferred to a different department which are on the ground, not under the ground but on the ground. And various welfare measures also will be provided to the family as well as to the miners in case of any kind of risk. And there is a new trend which is coming in the mining industry, children, where the miners have been given many opportunities to develop. So we shall see about this new trends in the mining industry and about the miners in the next class, children. Until then, thank you.